So today we're going to be working on a robotics program called vexcode VR. So what you're going to need to do is go into Google search and you're going to type in vexcode space VR, virtual reality. Now, when you get in here, you're going to click this button here. Might ask you to continue to free, do that. And what's going to happen is this is a robotics program. There's going to be a virtual simulation in here that you're going to do. And what I'm going to have you guys do, if you've ever used Scratch, this is a lot like that. All the blocks are over here on the side. And but what I want you to do is go into these tutorials, and you can click this Getting Started tour. You don't necessarily have to do that one. It just shows you where all the tools are. But what you want to do is go through the moving and removing blocks, driving your robot, turning your robot, and using loops. So these four for sure, and maybe this Getting Started one. When you click on moving and removing blocks, there's a tutorial that pops up, and these will be anywhere from 1 to 4 minutes. And all you have to do is click play and watch what they do, and then you can do the same thing over on the side over here. And once you get done with it, it'll kind of give you an idea of what these blocks do. Okay. So this is the first one. When you get done with it, you come in here, go to driving your robot. It will show you how your robot moves. This one will show how it turns. Loops are things so you don't have to repeat the steps. They'll just keep doing them over and over again. And once you get that done, then what I'm going to have you guys do is in here, you're going to go into select a playground and you're going to go to Castle Crasher. The idea here is that you have your robot and it's going to knock all these castles off outside of the red area. And so what you'll do is using these blocks over here, you're always going to start with this one started thing. And then you're going to go in here. So I drug a block in here. It says drive forward for 800, stop driving, turn right, drive forward. Maybe I'll have that go stop driving. So you just grab them, drag them in here. Maybe I want it to go turn, and then I can make this go turn left, and I'll have it go drive forward for, let's say, 1,000 millimeters. Okay. Now, once you do this and the playground is open, all you have to do is hit play, and it'll walk through your program. So now it's going forward, stopped, it turned right. Now it's going forward. It's supposed to turn left there. And when they go off the screen, so this obviously didn't work. So I would go back and find out, I'd stop this, go back and make some changes on here, refresh it, and redo it. So hopefully by the end of the hour, you can get it to get your robot to knock all these castles off. And if you get that done, see if you can get it for the fastest time on here. See if you can get it as quick as you can. And so that's what you're going to work on today. That's vexcode VR, and it's a robotics programming software.